Inside my sphere, vague collapse, seen and unseen, on the verge of happening. Reveling under the surface, the space falls under a stroke and into blackness. See how other fates matter to us. Narrating foreign stories, strangely taking parts of my own, hardly recognizable. The borders between why thrive for clear cuts. Definition: unrecognized means thousands of meanings. The low resolution protecting us from what we want to see. The distance, the insignificance of mundane routine. Make out the only truth. I care if it's imperfect on the first and the second view. Moving or not, images help me to understand things about myself. Re-reached post-vandalism, resigning the space that surrounds us. When urban design leaves some room, there is a chance to retell narratives. Refocusing by not doing, by failing. The queer art of failure. Introducing queer nothingness. The less my work relates to design, the better. Inside my sphere.